Today's wine text is the Dowdell Sonoma Coast Pinot Noir, 2014. A little bit more of a specialized Pinot Noir. This is probably one of the more expensive SRP Pinot Noirs we've done so far, and I think the quality of wine will really show, definitely in the glass. 2014 was a good year in Sonoma and Napa Valley. These guys are one of the oldest wineries within that region, sustaining 40 straight years of the same owners and the same proprietors of the winery. But their whole goal is to really highlight Napa Valley and the Sonoma coast specifically, Sonoma County, and the others a little bit more inland. This is going to be much more coastal style vineyards. What does that mean? Much cooler climates at night. I think a little bit more acidity, and the natural kind of breeze of the Pacific Ocean gives a little bit more natural minerality to the wine, and it takes away a lot of that kind of jammy fruit that you get in a lot of other Pinot Noirs from, you know, the inlands of Napa Valley and Sonoma. So yeah, I'm gonna taste it real quick. So this wine, I mean, just based on the reviews before I taste it and everything else, this is definitely going to be a little bit more of a fuller style Pinot Noir. I think it has a little bit more texture. The color is still pretty light. I wouldn't say, you know, you can still see through it. But I know the body on this wine is going to be a little bit fuller than what people are used to. So I'm going to get a lot of that dark cherry, raspberry, blackberry, but kind of faint, a little bit of licorice, a little bit of oak there as well. I definitely get this kind of eucalyptus, kind of herbaceous thing too, that I think is kind of natural in Sonoma, that I get a lot of from their wines. Texturally, it's still pretty light. Pinot Noir naturally is a pretty light wine, but it's got a decent amount of body still. Maybe not structurally, but a lot of flavor. It's a pretty full, filling style Pinot Noir. Definitely you want to drink this with, you know, even meats. I think lighter meats will work well. Pork, I mean, you can get away with like a more fattier steak because the acidity level is so high in this wine. 2014 is drinking really well right now. I think it's probably settled into its prime drinking period. But I'd have no problem seeing this wine age for like the next 5 or 10 years. So yeah, really cool wine, really small production. I think each bottle is labeled with the bottle of the production that came out. Yeah, really fun, exciting, and I think you guys will really love it. Enjoy.